सरकार पुराय गोंयभर मुळाव्यो सुविधा आनी उदरगतीच्या प्रकल्पांचेर खर यत्न करीत आसतले, पूण देखभालीत दिसपी आडनदर धोक्याची बाजू दाखयता। राज्यभरांतल्यो जायत्यो पोरण्यो इमारती अजूनय भौशीक सुरक्षेक धोक्याच्यो आसात। सध्या कळंगूट पंचायतीन एक पोरणी पडपाक पाविल्ली बांदावळ मोडून उडयली। आनीक 5 सुवातेचेर तांची नदर आशिल्ल्याचें तांणी उक्ताडार हाडला।
For the direction of the deputy collector, the panchayat has issued a notice to the person who is in charge, Mr. D'Souza. Thereafter, there were a lot of family partitions in that, so we put up a public notice saying that this structure is in a dilapidated condition and it may fall at any time, because public used to use this as a bus stop. So immediately then we wrote to the deputy collector then video, then again to the panchayat, and it was resolved in the meeting to demolish the same by putting a public notice after 7 days. So 7 days have passed on Saturday, and today we have come for a demolition of this structure, which is held as a nuisance to public, pedestrian and vehicular traffic. Because you see that this main road is a road where it is mostly used to go to Kandoli, then Penjim, all these places. So that's why we said that we will demolish it, and today we have done the. आम्ही प्रोसिजर फॉलो केलो. We wrote to deputy collector, and deputy collector wrote to BDO sent letter to us to demolish that dilapidated. This is a busy road while going Kandoli and this thing. There is a possibility of that it may fall down on anyone. So we take cognizance of the same, and just Sarpanch told that busy road, it may be cause for anyone this thing. That's why we took our decision, and today we are doing the demolition of that dilapidated structure. So every bunch member also took a part in that resolution to demolish such type of structure. आनीकय बी अशे dilapidated condition जे 5 स्ट्रक्चर आसात तेही आमी डेमोलिशन करपाचे आसात. त्या ओनराक आमी नोटीस धाडले आसा, आनीक फुडलो प्रोसिजर जो आसा तो आमी केल्लो आसा. Once the notice come from the direction come from the deputy collector, that structure also will be demolished very soon.
सरकाराची जायते कडेन उदरगतीची कामां नेटान चालू आसात, पूण देखरेख करपाचेर मात लक्ष केंद्रीत केल्ले वचना हाची जायती चित्रां मुखार आयल्यांत. राज्यांत एके वटेन जुन्यो धोकादायक बिल्डिंगो हुस्को निर्माण करतात, जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन धोकादायक कार्यालयांनी कर्मचारी आपलो जीव हातांत धरून कामां करतना पळोवपाक मेळटात. हाचेर बेगोबेग कारवाय करप ही काळाची गरज जावन रावल्या. गोवा 365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकर, मनीषा जाधव आनी सानिका नागवेकार.